myself. I don't know what to do, I'm so stuck in my thoughts. I know I've done you wrong, but can we let it go? I didn't think straight, my mind was all over. But I hope it's not over, cause you're still my lover. My love, my sweetie pie. Your love is sweet like Fanta. You got key to my heart, you bring peace to my mind. But I still let you down, I didn't thought about it. Devil got me down. So sorry that I let you down. It won't happen, I'll do my best to try. Cause I hate to see you cry. I wanna see you smile, I wanna see you fly. I know your dream is to fly to Dubai. You're the engine of my heart, I'll be your engine to your flight. To win you back, I'll try to fight. Hey, darling, I'm sorry. Darling, I'm sorry. Darling, I'm sorry. My bad, I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. I hope you go unblock me. You go unblock me. I've been trying to call you. Yeah, other bitches want me, but I don't give a fuck. Nyacela Timbalam, give us another chance. Hlale phansi, see, qale phansi. When I know I was wrong and I apologize. Constantly I'm tryna call, it's never goes through. I know what you're going through. I hate what I did to you. I already told you the truth. Just let me be your tool. I can fix your heart. I even bought this true. I hope we stick like a glue, like how we used to. Man, I still love you. I know that you love me too. I know that you feel me too. You just hate my dudes. You just hate me. Sally, I'm sorry.